Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am going to talk about Xiaomi's theme customization. So those who have Xiaomi, Redmi or Poco phones but you have no in-display fingerprint option on your phone. So in this video I'm going to talk about how you guys can use this fake fingerprint option on your phone. And the last part of video I will show you how you guys find out these themes on your phone. So let's start the video. So first of all, I can see I am currently using this theme. This theme's icon is also good. I can see this icon and you will get a widgets option. So this is the theme. I can icon is also good. I can see the icon pack is also cool and refined. The lock style and notification panel is also good. I can see the notification panel. So this is very good theme. And this theme has also fake fingerprint theme. You can change anything like lock style. I can see just swipe up and I can see this theme is like origin OS fingerprint, and this theme is also like the Vivo's fingerprint or animation on lock skin, and you will get the lock style. I can see this is very good, and when you just unlock the theme, just tap and hold on the fingerprint. I can see the animation is cool, and you also get the very cool animation on lock skin. Just swipe there and I can see you will get lots of customization on lock skin. So this theme is very good, so must check it out, these themes. So this is my second theme. I can see this theme has also the new widgets option and toggle. I can in lock style you will get the fake fingerprint option. I can see this theme has also the fake fingerprint option. Just tap and hold and the fingerprint is also perfectly working. So you can change this fingerprint option and customize your fingerprint. If you go to the customize theme and click on customize, I can see you can change the lock style, time icon change. You can easily change the fingerprint style. Okay, so this theme is also good and you can easily use this theme. And this theme icon is also good. I can see this theme icon as like origin OS. So this theme is also good, so must check it out. So this is my another theme and I like the theme most. This is my most favorite themes, and this theme's icon pack is also cool and refined. I can see the lock style widgets is also perfectly working, and this theme has also a brand new Xiaomi's HyperOS 2.0 cool animation. In lock style you will get the fake fingerprint option, cool lock screen animation, and just swipe left and you can change the wallpaper. And this theme has also the fake fingerprint. I can see the fake fingerprint animation is also good. Just tap and hold the fake fingerprint and you can unlock your phone easily. This fake fingerprint is also good, and mostly this theme's icon pack is also good. So this is my most favorite theme, so you must check it out, this theme. So this is my another theme, and this theme has also good, and this theme's icon pack is also cool and refined. In lock style you will get also the fake fingerprint option. Just tap and hold the fake fingerprint and this fake fingerprint is also perfectly working. So this theme has also the fake fingerprint, and you can change the customize anything. And this theme is also good, and you can see if you go to the theme and you can customize the themes lock style and everything you can change. Just go to the theme and you can customize the themes anything, clock style, charging animation, and all the things is perfectly working. So this is my theme customization video. Now I have to talk about how you guys can find out these themes more, because most of the themes is not available on the theme store. But don't worry about, you just copy the theme name and go to the Google and search the theme name. Okay, if you search the theme name, you can see I cool XEY. Just search the theme name on any browser and you will got the theme, and just click on the official store and you will get the themes and download here, and you can easily use any kind of theme as you want. So this is my theme customization video. I think those who have Xiaomi phone but no in-display fingerprint option, you guys can easily use these themes and you will get the fingerprint option easily. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys do not understand something, message me on Telegram. I will try to help you guys. So thanks for watching this video.